What if I told you that an AI could build an entire PowerPoint presentation for you in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? Today, we're looking at Autoppt AI, one of the fastest growing AI presentation makers in 2026. And the big question is whether it's actually worth using or if it's just another AI tool making big promises. Autoppt is an AI-powered website that helps you create presentations automatically. Instead of spending hours designing slides, writing content, and choosing layouts, you simply enter a topic or upload a document like a PDF or Word file, and the AI generates a presentation for you. The goal is simple: save time and remove the boring parts of creating slides. One of the biggest features people talk about is the document-to-presentation tool. You can upload a report, article, or PDF and let the AI turn it into a slide deck automatically. It also includes AI summarization, mind map generation, template replacement, online editing, chart creation, and exports to PowerPoint, PDF, and image formats. Another thing that stands out is that it supports multiple ways to generate presentations, including text prompts, uploaded files, URLs, and even audio content. According to the company, there is a free plan available so you can test the platform before paying for a subscription. On the positive side, many users say Autoppt is great for creating first drafts quickly and reducing the time spent building presentations from scratch. Some users also like that the generated PowerPoint files remain editable, which is important if you need to customize slides later. The AI is generally focused on creating structured presentations rather than just throwing random information onto slides. But there are also some downsides. Like most AI presentation makers, the results are not always perfect. Some users report that generated content can feel generic, while others say document conversion sometimes misses important details or creates information that needs manual correction. A common theme in user discussions is that AI presentation tools are best used as assistants rather than complete replacements for human editing. If you expect one click and a perfect presentation every time, you might be disappointed. So is Autoppt the best AI presentation maker in 2026? For speed and productivity, it's definitely one of the stronger options available right now, especially if you regularly create business reports, school presentations, or client decks. However, it still has the same challenge most AI presentation tools face. The final presentation often needs a human touch before it's truly ready to present. Overall, I think Autoppt is a solid choice if your goal is to save time and generate presentation drafts quickly, but I wouldn't call it perfect yet. If you've tried Autoppt, let me know your experience in the comments. And if you want more honest AI tool reviews like this one, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next review.